Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook ground beef with cream of mushroom soup sauce. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. You need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, mushroom, cream of mushroom soup, and then the beef, garlic, onion, spring onion. So the garlic. Onions. Okay, the onions. And now we're gonna add the beef. Guys, this is beef, and then we're gonna add oyster sauce, mix it. And then we're gonna cover first and simmer for how many minutes before we add the rest of the ingredients. Okay. Simmer for how many minutes? Until the meat is cooked. Okay guys. By the way, I add beef cubes because it's not super salty. We're gonna add the mushroom, okay? And then water, guys, okay? It's super yummy, guys. Simmer this one for 3 minutes, and then we'll be right back. Cover first. Guys, so that one. It's super yummy, guys. So I'm going to taste, guys, I'm going to taste. Oh, I think it's enough. The salt, just super little of salt. Just super little only. I'm going to garnish with the green onions. Stir it first. And now that's our ground beef with cream of mushroom soup sauce. Okay, so it's already done, and then I'm gonna taste it using this spoon. It's yummy. Okay guys, so that one, our ground beef with cream of mushroom soup sauce. It's super yummy. Okay guys, it's done. So that's our ground beef with cream of mushroom soup sauce. It's super yummy and it's done. Okay, I'm gonna off the heat. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.